Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, then let me introduce me. I am Mansi and I am a crochet artist. I make a lot of crochet things to sell onto my Instagram store. My store name is Mini by MMM, which means mini things by MMM is my name. So if you are new to my channel, then do not forget to subscribe this channel, and you can also follow me on these both Instagram IDs. One is my personal ID and the other one is my business ID, where I sell all these crochet things that I create. Then today I am going to show you one of my very favorite thing, and this is again a Korean inspired thing. And here's the cute little crochet tic tac pins that we have created. I totally love Korean things. They are unique, different, and I totally just love how Korean-y they look. So here we have crocheted this very cute little tulip concept, and it has this beautiful tulips into this, and this is a very cute little crochet clips that you can attach it to your hair. We have already uploaded a reel wearing this that you can check onto our Instagram store and also my personal ID, where we have shown you how can you style this, and of course there are a lot of pictures where you can actually see what this product actually looks like. So here today I'm going to show you this beautiful crochet clip. So here you can see this is so cute. It is a tic tac clip. You get this tic tac at the back. Of course you can see the entire back is covered. No threads will be coming out, and it will not get entangled into your hairs also. This finishing is very important because it makes sure that your hair will not get any damage due to these clips, because it's all covered and here it's all thread. So here this is cute little clip that we have crocheted in pink shade, and down you can see it has some leaves and stem detailing, and the border you can see it's like more vintage styling, which I totally love. So here we have used two concepts, that is one is like Korean clips, Korean styling, and also a vintage styling, which looks so adorable. So I'm going to just wear it and show you. This looks so pretty. I totally love this. You can wear it one, or you can also style them two at the back side, or any stylings that you like. I totally love creating these stylings. These are so cute and this looks so beautiful. You can style them up onto your one piece, two piece, or any other stylings. I'm also going to come up with the styling video of this. It's gonna be so cute. You can just use them as a brooch, as a bookmarker, or anything else also. They look so cute, you can see. So I totally love these kind of styling. This is like a Korean clip, and I love Korean styling. If you are K-drama watcher, then you must definitely love, and you should have these kind of things, because Korean things are so cute. You just want them to be into your wardrobe, into your collections of jewelries, and this is what we have crocheted. And I love making handmade things and giving them my own touch. So here it's a Korean clip that I have given a touch of vintage that I like, so that is more like English crocheting styling that I love again. So we have given a touch of vintage to this Korean styling. So these are cute little clips which you can style into so many different ways. I mean, just look at these, are so cute. I mean, they look so pretty. So here's this cute little clip. I mean, you can just see how beautiful they look. You can also style them at the back. They will just look adorable. I've already uploaded a reel. You can just go and watch that onto our Instagram store. So this is a Korean clip that we have crocheted, and they are so adorable. Of course you can style them up into many different ways. I'm going to show you one of my favorite styling into the upcoming reels on Instagram, so make sure to watch that. I'll upload a short onto the YouTube as well, because styling these is not important that it should be styled only as a clip. I always make sure that I make whatever I make, it should be not only the thing that you can use in that particular thing, but also multiple styling. So these are clips, but you can also use them as a bookmarker, you can use them as a brooch, you can use them into many different ways that you like. So here's the beautiful clip that we have crocheted. I totally love this. The look, you can get any color customized also, but I totally love this color. Right now we have made a pink, green, and a white shade. It's more like an off-white shade, but they look so adorable. So these are cute little Korean inspired clips, and I am telling you, you are not gonna find these kind of things anywhere. We have so many different varieties, and upcoming videos will be also like more Korean-y, more more like very vintagey and also different than other stylings and other things that you usually see on Instagram. Definitely I'm going to make so many different things. We are coming up with more boho stylings, Korean stylings, whichever thing I love to crochet, I'm going to come up. And I'm always try to give a touch of my own. Like I like to combine things and make something unique. That's what being an artist I love to do. So here, as I have used the Korean and vintage styling, these both stylings are my favorite, and everything in crocheting is my favorite, but I just wanted to give a touch of my own by combining a colors or design or a pattern, whatever it should be. I think everything should have my own touch, own presence, that makes me feel so proud and makes me feel so unique. These things are not anything that you generally find on Instagram or online, offline, anywhere. These things are just where you will find only on Mini by MMM, because these things are specially designed by me. And this is the beauty, that you are not going to get these things anywhere. So guys, do let me know how did you find this beautiful Korean inspired crochet clips. And of course, if you want to buy it, you can order it onto our Instagram store, and make sure to follow me on Instagram and also subscribe to this channel for more such videos where we are going to show you a lots of crocheting and handmade products. We are also coming up with a lot of bows, and as it's gonna be a Christmas soon, we are coming up with a lot of Christmas things. We have made a lots and lots of Christmas things that you are going to love it. They will be unique, different, and of course they will be a beautiful video. So make sure to subscribe and do let me know how did you find it, and I'll see you into the next video. Bye bye.